Hi, my name is Terry.
Hi, I'm Silky.
Welcome to our house. The theme of our house is simple and minimalist. We just want to keep the design simple, house to be conducive for the people in the house to have a space of their own. For example, the living room, we keep it very simple so all our things are well kept in the cupboards and in the carpentry. And with these very clean lines, I think it makes it simple for people to stay in.
So I think the kids are very excited, definitely. For them, I think first time getting their own rooms, they were pretty excited. The lightings that they can kind of customize.
When the kids saw the house, wow, this looks like a hotel. Yeah, I think maybe it's the lighting. So they really felt that they are coming home to a hotel every day.
I think these are some of the very details that I would say Feng Design has executed very well.
Our ID is Feng Design. Firstly, we started off our search by getting help from Renopedia. We went through a few rounds of shortlisting and discussion. Feng Design stands out very well. As we got along, there's also the chemistry that we have with the IDs of Feng Design, Felicia and Linus. They're very patient. They sit down with us for long hours to understand what we want and plan out the journey. So that makes them the top choice that we chose for the renovation.
I guess the time that we have spent together, like even shopping for lights and all that, I think we are very appreciative. I think even at the lighting shop, they actually do make their recommendation what would be more practical and what would be better to maintain. I would say practical recommendations from them that was very helpful. I think we are pretty happy with our renovation, and of course when we bring our family and friends around our house, I think they do ask, who did this for you? I think even our neighbor who wanted just to do carpentry, I think they were also quite impressed.
Alicia is also very meticulous in the paperwork. After she handed over the unit to us, she passed us a folder that consists of all the planning that we have done, including the tiles that we have chosen, the laminate that we have chosen, so that in the long run, right, if next time we need any replacement, we can take reference from there. So I think this after-sales service, right, is also very reassuring to homeowners. Okay, hope you enjoy the video, our house tour. Bye-bye.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.